New machine day, baby.
Machine day, let's go! Machine day, baby.
Boom, baby.
Boom.
Where's that pep in your step, man? Come on, man. You got a new machine. Let's go.
No place like grinding.
Oh, man.
Oh man.
Crazy, right?
Crazy. This is the meat and potatoes of grinding right here. You can do it all. You can't beat nothing like this.
Oh man, you excited?
I'm real excited.
Super good, super good. So pretty cool. We get in a favorite end with a CNC control, and this bad boy does ID/OD grinding. But one of the cool things that I'm excited about, this is more of an entry-level machinist. Grinding is crazy, right? These airplanes don't fly if you don't have precision ground components inside. Oh man, come meet Titans of CNC at EMO 2023 in Hanover, Germany. The dates and times are right there. I can't wait to see you guys. Boom. So grinding, you don't skimp on the money. It's all about quality and all that. So we've had the Studer S41 in here. It's $1.7 million with the wire dress technology. We did videos on that. It's on the Grinding Academy. Now we have the Studer S31. That's like $900,000 with crazy extras added to it. And then this guy's priced under $300,000. So this is a great, amazing grinder that people can actually get into the industry and do ID/OD on a crazy machine. It's got the Granitin.
Yep.
Crazy, right?
Crazy. This is the meat and potatoes of grinding right here. You can do it all. Great package.
Super good. And one of the greatest things is going to be doing education on our Grinding Academy, grindingacademy.com. Changing the wheels, dressing wheels, all of it, all the fundamentals. We're going to teach every single aspect of operating and running and programming these machines right here. So you guys can actually watch the videos, you can learn it, you can make more money, you can take care of your guys' company. Super good.
Super good, boss.
Boom.
Boom. Whether you're new to grinding or been grinding, this is the place to start right here.
Once we get the new favorite CNC placed, we already got our Kaeser Compressor right there. We already have the air run. We're gonna hook the air to the machine, get the power onto it, then we're gonna set it up, and we make crazy videos, teach you guys all the fundamentals, teach you how to set it up, how to make all these incredible parts, and then get all of that on the Grinding Academy so nobody can ever say, how do I learn grinding? grindingacademy.com. That's it, 100% free. Let's go, baby. They have the machine positioned right here, but then there's only 13 feet right here, and we got a monster bloom coming in, another grinder. The door over there we cut open, and that bad boy is 14 feet. It was 12 feet, but we made it 14 feet because we knew we were bringing monsters in. So on this one right here, I just told them to move it over to this line right here. So there's 14 feet. No sense you have 14 feet over there and you can bring in something that's 14 feet wide, but over here you don't have the 14 feet, so it's kind of common sense. Oh man, this thing is so good, man. It's not so intimidating. Hey, I don't run grinding machines, so I love that I can sit right here in the pocket. It's so good.
We got a 20-inch wheel back there, ID spindle. Got different controls on our table. Awesome. Super nice.
Yeah, I love the versatility. I love that we have so many different types of machines, and we're teaching on all platforms. Lifting up this tray, boom. No excuses. Anybody wants to learn grinding? Boom, Grinding Academy. I'm just gonna say it over and over and over. Go. What's awesome too is Studer, man. Studer is amazing. So if you guys haven't seen some of those videos that I've put out, the company is amazing. They have an assembly line. So when it goes from the machines actually move from the base and the foundation, it moves. As it moves to the next place, it just gets built up, built up, built up, comes around the other side, built up, built up, built up. It is absolutely insane. You got babies showing up at home. You got babies showing there at work.
Oh yeah, I'm excited about this.
Like they just had a new baby. He completely like ignores it, and he's like, oh, I'm excited about this baby right here.
This one doesn't cry.
I mean? Oh man!
Don't tell her I said that.
If you're Barry, you know his cries when he gets that chatter going. You know what I mean? When he starts crashing that thing, you know.
Oh, it's not what we wanted.
Just messing with you, Barry, but it's true. Machines do cry. You know what I mean?
This one doesn't have programmable chatter patterns.
So good. Boom.